Now we are discussing about chemical business opportunities. In that, today we are discussing about bleaching powder manufacturing. Limestone and chlorine gas are used as raw materials to manufacture bleaching powder that is used as a disinfectant and as an oxidizing agent. It is associated chemical compound as a mixture with lime and calcium chloride. It is marketed as chlorine powder for water treatment and as a bleaching agent. Next point is how is bleaching powder manufactured? Bleaching powder is made by action of chloride gas as calcium hydroxide. The reaction being essentially that is 2CaOH2, 2Cl2 to CaOCl2 plus CaCl2 plus 2H2O. That is the formulation. And the next point is what is bleaching powder, how it is prepared commercially. Bleaching powder is prepared on a large scale business by passing chlorine gas through a solution of calcium hydroxide, which is commonly as slacked lime. The reaction that occurs is the formula of CaOH2 plus Cl2G then refers to CaOCl2 plus CaCl2 plus 2H2O. Bleaching powder is mainly used for bleaching papers and sterilizing water. And the next point is what is the main ingredient of bleaching powder. The hydrochloride ion OCl is the active ingredient in bleaching powder. Next point is which metal is used in bleaching powder. Calcium is mostly used in bleaching powder. And next point is bleaching powder organic or inorganic? Sodium hydrochloride, commonly known as a dilute solution as bleach, is an inorganic chemical compound with the formula NaOCl or NaClO, comprising a sodium cation, that is Na plus, and hydrochloride anion, that is OCl or ClO, and it may also be viewed as the sodium salt of hydrochlorous acid. And next point is how is bleaching powder manufactured on large scale. Bleaching powder is prepared by the reaction of chlorine gas with the dry or slacked lime, whose chemical formula is CaOH2. The chlorine gas is passed over the dry slacked lime in this process. And next point is what are the two industrial uses of bleaching powder. It is used for number one is it is used for bleaching dirty cloths in the laundry as a bleaching agent for cotton and linen in the textile industry. And second is it is a strong oxidizing agent, hence used as an oxidizer in many industries. And the third option is it is used as a disinfectant, which is used for disinfecting water to make potable water. And next point is what is the difference between bleach and bleaching powder. The difference between sodium hydrochloride and bleach is the consistency of the substance. Sodium hydrochloride is a powder that can be mixed with water to create bleach. Bleach, on the other hand, is liquid and is simply the finished product, that is the result of combining powdered sodium hydrochloride and water. Next point is how many types of bleaching powder are there. There are two types of bleach, chlorine bleach and oxygen bleach. Learn more about the differences and how to choose the right bleach for any type of stain and clothing. Next point is what are the raw materials for making bleaching powder. Bleaching powder's chemical formula is CaOCl2 and is called calcium oxychloride. It is prepared on dry slacked lime with chlorine gas. Next point is what is bleaching is best. Which bleaching is best? Best face bleach creams for you to use is VLCC Insta Glow Diamond Bleach and VLCC Insta Glow Gold Bleach, Nature's Essence Gold Cream Bleach, VLCC Insta Glow Herbal Bleach and Nature's Essence Lacto Bleach, Natural Milk Bleach without activator, and O3 plus Meladerm Vitamin C Gel Bleach and Oxy Glow Diamond bleach cream. These are the bleachings are best in the market. Wishing you all the best.